Hi everyone, I have some birthday mail. My birthday is July 19th. So here we have a lovely card. I love stamps. I'm definitely going to take that off and save it. And I'm going to save this right here as well. I love the butterflies. I actually get caterpillars that I get to see raised on to become beautiful butterflies. So I love this so much. So with this card comes from Edith. And look at how pretty. I'm obsessed. I definitely need to save and reuse this. And then she just put a happy birthday inside. I love that it has a little passenger here. Like, this whole thing is just absolutely beautiful to me. And then look, I got a little charm in here. Little key ring that says be happy, and I totally need that in my life right now. If you guys know, I've been dealing with some stress and depression, so I'm gonna hang this right here off of my glue bottle so I can go ahead and see that every time I sit out here at my desk. So thank you so much. And then our next little package comes from Angelique. She is amazing. She always sends me emails. So she had showed me that Dollar General had some Disney stickers, and I don't have Dollar General. I honestly thought about taking a road trip to Nevada because that's my closest Dollar General. And I was like, girl, you don't got time for that right now. So she sent me a huge box. So we have my Nomi homies right here. I love putting these up on the mirror in the bathroom, or when we go on vacation, I always decorate the hotel room to whatever theme it is that we're going. So like Halloween, Christmas, birthday, Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day, you name it, I decorate for it. So even on vacation. So we have some Easter Nomi homies. We have some fall Nomi homies. Valentine's Day. And more Valentine's Day. Love those. We'll definitely be putting those to good use here. Oh, look. We have another Valentine's Day Nomi. Christmas. Can you guys believe it is almost Christmas time? Hobby Lobby already has out all of their Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, I love these. So pretty. I hope life calms down by next year so I can host more swaps, but I really want to host a Halloween swap. I love Halloween. Halloween and birthdays are like my favorite holiday. Yes, we celebrate birthdays around here like it is a holiday. We go all out. Sunny Boy gets a birthday month celebration, so all of January we celebrate his birthday, and I get a sad little week. But I love birthdays and Halloween. This is beautiful. This almost be from Dollar General because I've never seen this stuff before. So, yeah, I'm thinking about hosting a Halloween swap. I love Halloween and it makes me happy. So I think I'm going to do it. I need some more happy in my life. What is this? Everything you do is magic. Oh, that's so cool. I love those. I'm going to put that in my, I have a cup over there. Well, I have a couple cups that have a bunch of pins and stuff. Oh, look cute. Got a little flowers, and there's a blue flower. Every holiday, Sunny Boy gets me blue flowers. So I love that. Oh my gosh, I love me some dinos. I wish he was blue instead of pink because I don't like pink. But I love him so much. So cute. That's a Hobby Lobby one. Oh, look. We have some fall little foam stickers. Yeah, see, this I've never seen. So this has to be from Dollar General because I don't have that store here. Halloween. I love how this looks like vintage. Love that. Oh, I love this one. I'll definitely be putting these up by the TV. Got some little picks right here. We have a fall and a Christmas pick. So stinking cute. Cars. So here it shows us what all is in there. I love the movie Cars. over at Disney California, they have like a whole little Cars land. So I absolutely love that. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? That needs to go up in the kitchen. I'm going to see if I can mount this to like one of our cabinets and like hang towels off of it. That is so stinking cute. Is that really only $1? Like, wow, what a steal. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Oh, so she hasn't shown me that she got these from a Hobby Lobby and I hadn't seen them. So I know my Hobby Lobby is still putting out new items. I have 3 nearby and I normally travel to all 3 of them, but I just haven't lately. Like even when I've been taking my dad far out, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Even when I've been taking my dad far out to his doctor's appointment, I would usually go stop at Hobby Lobby before or after his appointment. But I've just been so busy that after I take him to an appointment, we usually have to get home because like somebody else needs to go somewhere. I've been helping my aunt who's now alone because my other aunt passed. Oh, cute, another one. I have my mom, my dad, you know, Sonny. So it's just like a lot going on. Oh my gosh, look at this little dude right here. He totally needs a red little Rudolph nose. So cute. Maybe some like snowflakes or some pearls. I love this. I can always put a little bow and turn him into a girl. Oh, these must be the Disney stickers right here that she found over at Dollar General. Like, look at that. Love that. There's a train ride at Disneyland, Casey Jr. I love that. Totally reminds me of like my childhood. Winnie the Pooh. The Winnie the Pooh ride at Disneyland is like one of my favorite rides. I just think it's so fun. And it's usually so empty back there that it's easy to get on. Oh, look, Cars. It matches our little pack right here. Love this. I want to go on a road trip and do all of Route 66. And I think it would be so fun to have like a Cars themed little scrapbook to go with that. Wouldn't that be fun? Disney vacation. We are going on a Disney vacation in November. We are going to be sailing to Disney's new island out there. Oh my gosh, look at Dino. How stinking cute. I love this. Okay, that's gonna go in my pen cup. We got a couple more items here that I gotta open. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. I've definitely never seen these before. So we have our little bunny eared guy right here with a little egg. We have a little hop guy with his little top hat. Another little Nomi homie that says Happy Easter. I've never seen these before. I'm pretty sure that these are that Dollar General little like yellow sticker. I love that you guys still have stuff for $1 at Dollar General because we all know Dollar Tree is not $1 anymore. And then we had the purple 99-cent only store, but they took that away and they had some items that were actually $1. So sad. Nowhere near me can I get dollar items. Oh my gosh, this is too cute, you guys. Look at, and you can actually see his eyes. It's so rare when they actually paint eyes on them. How stinking adorable is this? This is gonna be out all year long. This needs to go like in the kitchen, I think, so I could just see it and this would just make me happy and smile. Oh my gosh. That's it, you guys. That was so much stuff, but I am obsessed. Like this little soap dispenser and these stickers. Oh my gosh, obsession, you guys. Absolutely in love. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, ladies, for sending me stuff and thinking about me. You guys are so awesome, and you guys really do help right in my day. You guys have no idea, especially with me just like in a funk. Reading your guys' comments just really makes me happy. And I just want to say that I appreciate all of you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.